Are you looking for ways to make more money on Etsy? If so, you are in luck. In today's video, I'll be sharing 7 of my favorite strategies to start earning more money today. Let's dive right in. Stay updated with the latest trends. Staying on top of the latest trends is essential for anyone who wants to make money on Etsy. By keeping up with the latest trends, you will be able to create products that are in high demand, and you will be able to appeal to a wider range of buyers. Moreover, you will be able to stay ahead of your competition and make sure that your products stand out from the rest. Now, there are a few different ways that you could stay updated with the latest trends. One of them is to head over to etsy.com/trends to see what's currently trending on Etsy. Another way is to use tools like Allura that make it super easy to do product research and learn what's selling on Etsy and discover winning product ideas. Offer discounts on bulk orders or multiple items. If you're looking to make some quick money on Etsy, consider doing this, offering discounts on bulk orders or multiple items. This is a great way to move inventory quickly and attract new customers. You can offer a percentage discount like 10% off or a dollar amount discount like $5 off. Just make sure that the discount you offer are significant enough to entice buyers. You can also vary the discounts you offer depending on the time of the year or holidays. So, for example, you could offer a higher discount during the holiday season to encourage people to buy gifts from your store. Whatever discounts you decide to offer, make sure they are prominently displayed on your Etsy banner and product photos and listing description so that potential buyers are aware of them. Ship orders faster. One way to make more money on Etsy is to ship orders faster. Customers who receive their orders quickly are more likely to be satisfied with their purchase, and they're also more likely to leave positive feedback. Furthermore, customers who have a positive experience with your shop are more likely to come back and make future purchases. Now, there are a few simple steps that you could take to make sure that your order ships quickly and efficiently. First, make sure you have all the materials you need on hand before you start packing. This will save you time and help you avoid making mistakes. Second, pack each order carefully and securely using plenty of bubble wrap or similar packing material. And finally, ship your order as soon as possible after they are complete. By taking these steps, you can make sure that your customers are happy and that your Etsy shop is successful. Get better at marketing your shop using social media. One of the best things that you could do is to market your shop on social media. But before you start posting away, it's important to take a step back and analyze your target audience. Where do they hang out online? What kind of content are they most likely to engage with? And once you have a better understanding of your target market, you could start creating content that is more likely to resonate with them. So, for example, if your target audience consists of young mothers, you might want to consider creating social media posts that showcase your products in action. And by sharing relatable and engaging content, you will be more likely to attract new customers and make more sales. Understand your profit margins. If you're running an Etsy business, it's important to make sure that you are running it like a real business. One of the most important things to understand is your profit margin. This is the difference between how much it costs you to make a product and how much you sell it for. The higher your profit margin, the more money you're making on each sale. There are a number of ways to increase your profit margin, such as reducing your production costs or increasing your prices. However, you need to make sure that you are not pricing yourself out of the market. So balancing these two factors is essential for running a successful Etsy business. Make sure your keywords relate to your product. It's important to make sure your keywords are related to your product. This will help you show up in more search results and make more money. When customers are searching for items on Etsy, they will usually enter a keyword or phrase into the search bar, and if your product is relevant to the search, is more likely to come up in the results. That means more people will see it and you are more likely to make a sale. So take some time to choose keywords that accurately describe your product and make sure that they're included in your listing title and description. Doing this will help you make more money on Etsy. Provide top-notch customer service. One of the best things you can do to make more money is to provide top-notch customer service. This means going above and beyond for your buyers from the moment they purchase an item from you to long after they have received it. So make sure that you communicate clearly and regularly, answer any questions promptly, and make sure the buyer is happy with their purchase. Not only would this help you build a good reputation as a seller, but it will also encourage buyers to leave positive reviews, which can attract even more buyers to your shop. In today's competitive marketplace, providing excellent customer service is one of the best things that you could do to make more money on Etsy. Let me know in the comments which were your favorite tip, and thanks for watching.